Zeph, para po sa Sir Lester. Pwede ko po kayong invite at this corner po. Ayan po si Sir Zeph. Ayan, sana po ay mapasaya niyo po kayo with this present po. Ayan. Happy Valentine's Day! Ayan! Ayan, Happy Valentine's Day po, Sir Lester. Ayan, we are from Princess Surprise on Wheels po. Ayan. You have here the flower bouquet. Ayan. And syempre po, let me light our light dahil po medyo inabutan din po kami. Pasensya na po, Sir Zeph.
It's okay.
Bigla po kayong dumating. Ayan. To make it more romantic. Ayan. And of course, you have your yung puso daw po from Sir Zeph. Happy Valentine's Day po. Opo. And of course, you have your cake po. Sir, forward po kayo dito. Nakalagay po, Happy Valentine's Day, Baby Langga, I love you. Ayan. And of course, meron pong hinandang message si Sir Zeph for you, sir. Ready na po ba kayong marinig? Ayan, okay ra. Ayan. My home has beautiful eyes, the cutest nose, the prettiest smile. My home, like starry nights, is short in height and sometimes bites. Always. My home has got a couple windows to my soul. My home somehow makes me feel so bold. My home feels like gold. My home won't ever be a place. My home has the most beautiful face. My home. You are my home. You are the one who makes me feel like a child. You are the one who always makes me smile. My home, you are my home. I won't let you go. I feel so safe. No worries now. You are my home. Do you even know? Because when I fall, you catch me somehow. I'll give my all. I love you real loud. Roar to my baby Langga dinosaur. Ayan, ang sweet naman ni Sir Zeph. Ayan, sir, Happy Valentine's Day. Tanggapin niyo po itong simple present. Simple po to. Ayan, with love from Sir Zeph. Ayan. Siyempre po, nandyan po si Sir Zeph personally. We have here our documented video. Later on po, ay mapapanood niyo po ulit sa official page ng Princess Surprise on Wheels. Ayan. Sir Lester, ano pong message niyo po kay Sir Zeph? Pwede niyo pong balik-balikan ito forever. At sana all my forever. Ayan. Sige po, message po. Sir, request ko kayo. Pwede niyo pong tabihan si Sir Lester?
Moment niya yan.
Moment niya yan, moment. Ayan po.
There's no words can explain. I know this is like too much, however, I totally appreciate it. And the thing that I would say is comes to my heart, deep inside. I truly love you, and I will always be by your side. Downfall, success, name it, I will be by your side always, and I love you.
Yay! Parang nag-post tayo 5 seconds dun sa ano looking through your eyes. Ayan. Baka sir, meron ka pa pong sasabihin? Later. Yan. May continuation later.
Madami kang kada.
Ayan. Oo. Nagot ka po sa dinosaur later. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sir Lester. So you have here your balloons po. Ayan, tanggapin nyo po. Ayan. Again po, Happy Valentine's Day. Na-surprise po ba kayo kahit na naglakad po kayo ng medyo malayo?
Worth it.
Worth it naman daw po. Ayan. Happy Valentine's Day po. 4 years po sa inyo ni Sir Zeph. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, meron naman tayong witnesses, no? Pero the moment is more special. Ayan, dahil na po kayong dalawa. So, ang iba po na kanina, marami po kaming hinatira ng ganitong surprise. Sana nila, sana all. Pero dahil may tagline yung Princess Surprise para kay Sir Lester, your sana all, no more na po kayo. Thank you so much, Sir Zeph, for trusting and choosing us po. Till next time po. Yay!